Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean your email list in Brevo, step by step. Email lists are a critical part of maintaining a healthy communication channel with your audience. However, over time, these lists can accumulate inactive or unengaged contacts, which may negatively impact your email delivery rates. Today, we'll walk through the process of identifying and removing these unproductive contacts from your Brevo account to ensure your email campaigns remain effective. First, let's head over to the Brevo dashboard. Once you've logged in, look at the left-hand sidebar. There, you'll see a section labeled Contacts. Go ahead and click on it to proceed. This will bring up all your current contacts and serves as the starting point for our cleanup process. Next, we need to narrow down our list to focus on those contacts who no longer engage with your content. To do this efficiently, we will use segment templates provided by Brevo. Click on Use Segment Templates. This powerful feature allows you to quickly organize your contacts into manageable groups based on certain criteria, making it easier to identify segments that might not be performing well. From the available segments, select Unengaged Email Contacts. This predefined segment is designed specifically to spotlight those contacts who haven't interacted with your emails within a given period. Specifying the time frame for this inactivity is crucial because it defines what unengaged means in the context of your list. You might classify contacts as unengaged if they haven't opened or clicked an email in 3, 6, or even 12 months, depending on your typical email frequency. Once you've set your criteria and selected the time frame, Brevo will display a list of contacts who meet these conditions. You'll want to review this list to determine whether all these contacts should be removed or if some might deserve a second chance based on their previous interactions. If you're confident that these contacts should no longer be part of your email campaigns, the next step is to delete them. To do this all at once, simply select the option to Choose All Contacts. This can usually be done with a Select All button provided within the segment view. With your contact selected, look for a button labeled More Actions and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, choose Delete Permanently. Finally, to ensure you don't delete anything by accident, a prompt will appear asking you to confirm your choice. Take a moment to double-check your selection, and once you're sure, go ahead and confirm. This action will clear those unengaged contacts from your list, helping to improve the overall health and deliverability of your future emails. And there you have it. Regularly cleaning up your email list is a best practice that helps improve engagement rates and ensures your messages reach those who find them most valuable. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.